Okay, so this is task D for the 2016 Greenfoot task. Now it says to edit the code to make the cat move in the direction of the arrow keys when pressed. Pretty sure most of you can do this by now, but let's go through it again anyway. Right, the cat moves in the direction of the arrow keys. Right, this is the ground class, close that. Let me go to the cat class. Okay, there's nothing here at all yet. Right, so I'm going to make a new method called move public void move bracket bracket curly braces. Add them together as a pair, please, always, so you don't get mixed up with the braces. Right, let's compile this. Control K, that's fine. Now then, as we we have to do all these the x and y coordinates. So int current x coordinate equals get x. Compile that. Int current y coordinate. I'm going to copy and paste to save some time. Current y coordinate equals get y. Compile that. Now then, if put the brackets in, put the curly braces in. I always create the structure for the if statement before I put any content into it. Okay, that's the structure. Now we check for the left key press on the keyboard for the movement with the Greenfoot class. Now let me go back to documentation here. Greenfoot get is key down, and the name of the button on the keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to use that. If Greenfoot dot is key down bracket bracket speech marks left. What do we do? Well, we've got to calculate a new x coordinate. So int new x coordinate equals the current x coordinate. Actually, tell you what, I'm going to recommend you copy and paste these every time, just to avoid the spelling mistakes. Okay, current x coordinate minus 10. Right. So we take 10 pixels away from the current x coordinate, compile that, and then we set the location of the mouse, bracket bracket semicolon, to be x coordinate first, then y coordinate. So x coordinate, comma, y coordinate. Copy and paste the variable for the x coordinate. The new x coordinate, it's the current y. So copy and paste to there, compile that, compiled. So now that actually, well, that should work, but I must do my one more step. I must always call the move method from within the act method, otherwise that wouldn't work. Now the left mouse button should work for me when I run the game. So moving left. Oh, I moved quite. Let me see. What did I miss out there? Not 10. Sorry, silly mistake. 10 pixels was for the Pizza Boy game or other games like that, yeah. This world only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows, 8 tiles across, 8 tiles up and down. So 10 doesn't make any sense. Let's just move one tile. Okay, compile that. Right, let me reset. Run. So now if I move, yeah, it moves one square left. That's correct. Okay. Right. So that's the movement for the left key on the keyboard. Let's do it for right. I'm going to copy and paste this. Select it, copy, paste. Now we're going to do the right key. And the new x coordinate is going to be +1 this time. Okay, and that actually is enough for right. I don't need to do anything else there. If I compile that, now go back to the game. The left and the right buttons are both working. Good. Now let's do it again for up and down. Copy this, and it's going to be moving up. Now for moving up, it's got to be a new y coordinate. The new y coordinate equals the current y coordinate. Moving up the screen is a negative change because the coordinates start at 0 here for the y coordinate, 1, 2, 3, 4. So going up the screen is negative. And now I want to use the new y coordinate. Oh, where's this going? There it is. And the current x coordinate. The x coordinate does not change when I move up the screen. Like that. Okay, current x, new y, compile that. Let me run this. Left and right still work. Moving up works. Moving down doesn't. Let's do down. Okay. Down. And the new y coordinate is going to be +1 for going down the screen. And nothing else has to change there. So now my 4 directions should work: left, right, up and down. Okay, good. So I believe that should be enough for full marks in this question. Part D. Let's check the mark scheme. Cat moves around the world with a reasonable relative speed. Yes, moving 1 square, that's fine. Good, I think that's done for task D. Let's save this video.